So what is it like solo traveling? Morning, another day of the trek. Heading off from Tadapani to Gorepani. 5-hour walk ahead. I just take my jacket off. Very nice. Very beautiful, yeah. They're eating salt. Go there. What's the view from there?
Even if it was clear, we saw all of the mountain.
Snow mountains.
But now it's too cloudy. Pune is just over there. Now here, we see Pune. Tomorrow morning we'll be hiking up.
Okay.
Early morning, 4 o'clock. Okay, we're ending, starting, go.
What's up? So just checked into our next tea house. We left at 7 in the morning, or 7:30 in the morning, and we just got here at 12:30, so not too bad. At least we get some daylight and stuff. But last 5 minutes it decided to rain. It was very sunny before. I hope it's not raining tomorrow morning. I'll show you around. So there's this lady just staring at me from the window. I might show you her. Pretty cool room. That's the bathroom. Oh, the lady stopped looking. So the walk itself is pretty okay. The stairs is a killer. I think the stairs is a killer. My feet are so sore. Not from the stairs, but from going downhill now. Met some cool people on the way. So yesterday we had like a cool as common area where I met a American and girl from Poland, which was pretty cool. And some other people. I'm trying to give some chocolates on the way just to say thank you and to the little kids. What is it like solo traveling? Not bad actually. I thought there will be a lot of times where I feel really, really lonely, but actually it's quite cool. It gives you time to think. And yeah, you get to kind of, I mean, if you're a person that's really, really shy, you probably won't want to pick up a conversation with anyone else, but I do try to talk to people, and I don't know, like, you just end up talking to people randomly. My nose is really runny. Just randomly talking to people, and like that's the best part, because you hear the stories, right? So the girl that I was talking about that I met yesterday, one from Poland, has been traveling for 7 years. Crazy, man. I don't know, it would be like dream life, wouldn't it? I'm gonna try call my parents because I haven't contacted them in a while. I have sent them a message, but there's no reception here, so I will give them a phone call and just talk to them. Anyway, I hope you're having an awesome day today. I am just happy to be resting. Some hard working ugly feet now.